this today? No, we're not. Turn it off, man. He's gotta shut it off. He's having too much fun. Shut it off. I gotta record, man. Alright, so this is what we're working on today, boys. So today, we have the opportunity to work on a Zuzu Trooper. So, you know, the thing about these, it's a 94. It needs some love, but that's not a big worry. What we just did is I just put a brand new transmission in here. So we got a brand new transmission. We were gonna manual swap it, didn't work out. As you can see, it definitely needs some love, you know? But that's what we're here to do. This is what we do. We get cars that don't look very well and we make them look amazing. See, paint needs to be done. We got plans for that. But today what we're gonna be doing, we're basically taking everything out. We're repainting everything. This is the first job to a good interior. You wanna have everything perfect on the, think about it. Why have it nice on the outside if it's not nice on the inside? You're in it all day long. You want it to look good on the inside. As we're painting these all black, we might do bits and parts blue because we want to stand out. We want to do something fun. You know, with our car, we don't want to be the same as every single person around here. What we're gonna do is we have the black paint, and to spice it up a little, we just pick this up, you know? You just go to any type of craft store, they're gonna have stuff like this. They'll roll it out for you, and you're good to go. So, what we're gonna do, we got this right here. It's already got a fabric going on. So, we're gonna lay this down, like this, boom. Think about how much better that's gonna look. It's gonna look awesome, it's gonna have some style.
A trash can that they come and pick up?
Oh, no. I go to the dump, like, when you fill. When I fill it up, I just go to the dump.
Yeah, I'm proud of these boys.
You're doing a good job.
I am. They're too busy and gonna be selling dope out of here. You didn't come here to buy dope, did you?
Well, I was going to, but he ran out.
Who, Alan?
Someone got drunk and they kicked it with their foot. They did. Is that you? Didn't. I didn't. Where? You guys want to come in a little bit? And this thing bumps, dude. It's like. The limos are so much fun. Dude, I started a limo company and I failed because I took it out too much.
Wait, you had a driver?
Yeah, I had a driver. Edgar drove me around for a little bit too.
Dude, you gotta take this thing out for my birthday.
What? Dude, you can't see it, but I put so much money in this thing. Because I wanted to have a good time. Like, we gotta replace the carpet, we gotta do a bunch of shit.
This is one of the songs, like.
Later.
Alright, how's it going, guys? So what we got going on right now is he's just finishing up this last piece. And all this is completely done, ready to go. It's ready to be put in. So we're gonna see what we got going on here. I showed you guys earlier, but everything's completely, you know, everything needs to be detailed. This whole entire carpet, it'll clean up pretty good probably, but definitely needs some work. So what we're gonna do is we're going to vacuum out everything, we're gonna detail it, we're gonna clean up all the carpets, and then we're gonna run an amp down, or I'm throwing a sub in the back so I have to run wiring all the way through. So we'll do that tomorrow. I gotta clean everything up. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tonight. I'm fucking tired, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get it done. I gotta get this thing done before Monday, so. That's the plan, but yeah, if you ever wanna really detail out a car, pull out all the seats, clean up everything, you'll be good to go.